Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to construct this sort of a distribution, normal distribution. Most of the time you might have to struggle identifying what is the exact shape of a normal distribution if mean is something and standard deviation is something, right? So today I am going to share with you. So we will recreate this sort of a normal distribution, and which will help you also to understand what exactly is normal distribution, right? So let's start. I have given this file in the link. You can download this file from the link. It is accessible for everyone, and we will recreate this so that you understand how have I created all this, right? So let's start. This is a new Excel sheet I have taken, and just to save time, let me copy this mean and standard deviation. Right. So now if you recall, for a normal distribution, if you recall, for a normal distribution, either side is 6 sigma, right? So 6 this side, 6 this side. But for this exercise, I have taken 5, since going into 6, the tail becomes extremely long. So for better visibility, I have kept it simple to go up to 5 this side and 5 this side, right? So let's start it. Now to create the points, what I am doing here is, so this is my 5, this is my negative 5.00. This is my negative 4.99, right? And then I'll take it up to plus 5. So see here, the numbers are getting created automatically, right? 3 minus 2 minus 1 0. Now we are in the plus 2 3 4 and should be 5, right? So this is minus and plus 5. If you want to do it up to 6 sigma, you can do it. So if you have not understood what these points are, and if you recall the Z table, the Z table has got numbers, right? Each of these numbers Z table has got, and each of this number represents the mean here, Z number here, right? In the x-axis, right? And y-axis represent your standard deviation, right? So now let me go back here. Now how do I calculate a normal distribution for negative 5? Just put a equal to here, type NORM, and you will get normal distribution, right? Now this x is this value, right? And mean I want to take D1 first. So this is the mean, and we will freeze it because I want this to be freezed across all, right? So we just freeze it. Shortcut is F4 in my keyboard. Now the standard deviation is 1, right? And similarly we will freeze C4 also. This is F4. Yeah. Then what I want, do I want the cumulative or not? Yes, I want the probability mass function. Cumulative is what, when it gets added up, right? So we don't need cumulative here, we need the mass function here, right? So this is the value we are getting, 1.486, and after that there is something. So if you see here, so we have to change this to, this is in general, we have to change it to normal, right? Now see, now it has come, right? So 0.48, and we have got our 0.1487 first. Similarly, let me copy this D1, D2, D3 also here, D1, D2, D3, right? And then again we will this equal to, either you can drag it also. If you drag it, it automatically should change. Let's see, So the value we have here is C3. We don't need C here, we need D. So I'll put here D and here also D, right? 1.99. okay, we have some errors here. Let me check what it is. X. So the X value I haven't changed here. I2 is not X. X is still -5, right? So now we got it, 0.008764, right? Got it? Now the next part, X is this and we change it to E, right? And we change this to E, right? So we are all set. 0.033, you can see here 0.033. Now we just have to drag it till the end. Right, so we dragged it to the end and that's it. Now let's put a graph. You just select all this, go up, otherwise the graph will be created somewhere here. Insert, recommended charts, I need this one, right? And okay. So now you I am able to drag it, right? So so what I did, I just changed the chart type here, so that's why you can see a different visualization there. What we can do is either you can have this, right? Let me go this side, it would be better, right? So now you can see already the chart has overlapped, and you can change color, you can change the chart type. This is a line chart. I don't need the line chart, right? It's up to you. I can do a histogram, but that doesn't fit too well here, right? Surfaces, this is also a good visualization, different sort of visualization. Area, yeah, this is the area, right? Now within area I wanted the transparencies here. If you change colors, that's okay. I think this color is also okay, right? So then you can just format it the way you want to format it, but broadly I hope you would have understood how to do it and how to understand all these charts. If you want to download this, you can download it from the link in the comment section. And now see, if you want to change this, right, let's go back to the original one. So suppose you have a chart and you want to change it, right? Suppose you have a chart with mean of 3 and standard deviation of 7. So you can just change here and see how the shape is, right? You can compare charts, different charts here, right? This is 5 and let me take the standard deviation as 10, right? So this is how it's not showing the entire thing. You can see here, you can drag it because this would have a very long tail, right? So you can just drag it, create more charts and understand this even more, right? So this I created as, right? So this is another one where you don't have the mean, or we can put the mean as 1. See here how it changes, right? So if you have standard deviation consistent, or let me take 0, 0, 0, right? There's nothing coming, so it just cannot be, right? You can play with it the way you want to do, right? And this is another one you can see. So based on your requirement, you can just change the numbers here and you can get all these things the way you want to get, right? That's it, guys. You can download this from the link, and thanks a lot.